Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about Waves Tune Real Time. A lot of people asked me to do a tutorial on this specific plugin, so here it is. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions. Let's get into the video. First, let me play with the track. This one's for you, artist Modest.
I don't know, oh I don't know about you, but I know about me. The time will come when I find you and you will find me.
As you can hear, we have that pitch corrected effect, that auto tune effect. I'm gonna reset Waves Tune Real Time. This is what you get when you first open the plugin. It might seem confusing, but it's really simple. You have just a few controls that you should focus on: speed, no transition, correction, scale, and key. Those are the important parameters when you're using this plugin, Waves Tune Real Time, or any other pitch correction plugin. You need to know the key of the song, and that's the first thing that you should adjust. I know that this song is C minor. You can set the key right here, and you have a big list of scales. I'm gonna pick natural minor. In order to achieve that pitch corrected type vocals, that auto-tune type effect, you need to work with the speed and the no transition. Let's decrease the speed, choose the fastest available, the same with the no transition.
I don't know.
We have that instant auto-tune effect. You can go with these settings without thinking about any other parameters on the plugin.
I don't know, oh I don't know about you, but I know.
And these settings are the settings that I use most of the time. Sometimes I don't like the artifacts that the plugins create. Use the link function, find like a middle ground where we can still hear the pitch correction, but the artifacts are not that audible.
I don't know, oh I don't know about you, but I know about me.
The tolerance has to do with the no transition, so here you can fine tune that regarding the pitch and the timing. I like to keep those two settings off if I want to have that strong audible effect. The vibrato, keep it off. With the correction at 100%, you have a fully wet processed vocal. If the effect is too much, you can just reduce the correction. It's like a mix knob.
I don't know, oh I don't know about you, but I know about me. The time will come when I find you and you.
If you want that strong auto-tune effect, keep it 100% the formant. I usually keep that corrected because I want the plugin to correct the formant too, and not just the pitch. The difference is subtle. Another setting that you should use is the range. By using range, you will help the plugin to make better decisions. When you do this, you will notice that the pitch correction will not affect the grayed out areas.
I don't know, oh I don't know about you, but I know about me. The time will come when I find you and you will find me.
We can keep it on bass or baritone. So basically this is how you set up Waves Tune Real Time. Pick the key, pick the scale, adjust the speed and the no transition. Obvious effect, use a very high speed and no transition. If you want the effect to be more subtle, increase those. If the effect is just too much for the vocals, use the correction. You can reduce the pitch correction just a tiny bit. Then you can select the range. So this is how you use Waves Tune Real Time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Join our Facebook group, it's called Mix Talk. See you guys next time.